Hi, this is the New Year celebration party in New York. I'm just showing the live broadcasting from New York. There's a global news channels. They are showing all the different places. New York, right now, New York time would be the very late night, so they are showing the live broadcasting there, and also they show the another country like Middle East, everywhere there. So the worldwide festivals coming to show different way. So we have to maybe they are. This is I think this is Bellagio in Las Vegas. I'm not sure. Anyway, very interesting things happening there. Just call my name. I'll be there in a hurry. You don't have to worry. 'Cause baby, so today, actually, what I'm trying to show is not only this celebration, but also I would like to show where I'm doing the presentation in real time. I just use a microphone and only pointer here. So this pointer is showing where I'm doing now. This is the place where I actually doing my presentation. So I would like to show the PowerPoint. If I want to PowerPoint show, you see the PowerPoint is showing this way. So this uh, video showing the live class in the real classroom. So I'm trying to show how we make a real-time live classroom teaching method using iStudio year 2020 version. So teacher is here, and then remote classroom here, and smart classroom here. So every people can see this kind of presentation from anywhere. We have many technology patterns for realizing this. But today, what I'm trying is not only the PowerPoint, but also the whiteboard writing, Blackboard writing here. So I'm teaching the back. So at the front part, we have the projector screen. So I can draw something in real time. I'm not doing any editing. This is a real time presentation. So here we have iStudio showing this output to projector screen. It's like you're watching exactly same video going to projector screen, where we have one camera for teacher, like I'm moving now. If I go there to right here, they're automatically showing there too. So that way we can do all the demonstration here. So I will show you where I'm doing here now. So if I move, anyway, the tracking part is accurately going. But as you see, all the comparing with other tracking camera, what you are watching is completely different way. So that way we make a presentation in the classroom, either in front class, but in the back class. I mean, if teacher teach from the back of the classroom, where all the students are watching in front. So same project output they can see with the students, what they are watching, what you are actually doing presentation there. So when you watching the front part, it's like I'm doing my eye going to everybody. Assuming this one in the projector screen, it's like I'm doing now. For example, my projector screen is here, so I can show this way, and then I can show where I'm doing now. So this is what I'm doing now. So from here to camera, they're watching, so your eye going directly there. So you can show sometimes in drawing, very clear writing you can do. And also same time, this part you can organize different way, more bigger, wider, zoom, everything we are providing tools for you to create very nice scene by yourself. The iStudio doesn't mean only this scene, but iStudio can compose any layout, any 3D multiple scenes you can create there. So today I'm just showing you how we make a PowerPoint presentation same time with the drawings as like I'm doing now. This is the new iStudio year 2020. We are trying to show this one in Korea e-learning exhibition on 15th of January. And also we are bringing this one in the Europe, first time in German. So every people can see Darim WiseUP booth in culture, learning technology. After that, we are also trying to show in learning technology in UK. This is the first time to approach in other country. Of course, we will start for USA or other country too. I hope you really enjoy the technology we are trying now. So let's go back to the celebration place in in other countries. So we can simply switch to show other place, and you can make this kind of a place. I don't know where this one is. It looks like this is maybe Arab, the Middle East part, which is a very tall place. This one, I don't know exactly. Anyway, there are a lot of celebrations happening, so the sound is not yet coming. But anyway, we can enjoy New Year. Darim will also contribute the way how we create live presentation from any place, from any classroom, from any meeting rooms, any churches, any your office can have this one to make a live presentation all over the world. I call this is a smart office because your office can connect it with all the smartphone in the world. Okay, thank you very much. Happy New Year. We hope to enjoy together.